It is no longer a news that COVID-19 happened in 2020 and forced everybody to stay at home. Banks, companies, and everyone started working from home. Schools and universities do not have any other choice than to follow suit, except that so many teachers do not have the skills and the equipment required to do this job from home. Although the pandemic is over, but we are going to share with you today top educational technology tools that you can use to teach from home. If you are ready, let's get straight into it. My number one EdTech tool you should be using in your classroom is laptop computer. The laptop modifies the classroom environment, making it simpler for teachers to engage students in serious, collaborative, and project-based works. Laptops also assist teachers in their preparation and group communication. There are a whole lot of things you can do with laptop in the classroom. That's why it is my number one EdTech tool every teacher should have. Number two is Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a great resource for today's educators. It contains some of the top free classroom presentation tools and also offers word processing and electronic spreadsheets to help teachers and students create amazing work. Other Google tools such as Classroom, Drive, Forms, Lens, Sites, and so on may be used to enhance your teaching experience. Did you know you can use Google tools to copy and paste written text and it will automatically type it for you? If you would like to learn how to do this, please comment in the description box below. If I see a lot of comments requesting for this, I'll make a video on that. Number three is video conferencing. Video conferencing in education allows teachers to communicate with students irrespective of their location. It also allows students and teachers to interact in real time, both visually and audibly. Video conferencing tools are becoming increasingly prevalent in the educational sector as institutions adjust to new technology and the changing demands of both teachers and students. Examples are Zoom, Google Meet, and so on. You can watch my video on free video conferencing apps for teachers. The link is on the description box below. Number four is video lessons. In addition to live video conferencing, pre-made video lessons can be created to teach students on certain topics. The video clip can be sent to students before, after, or during the classroom teachings. Professional cameras and smartphones can be used to record video lessons. Video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro can be used to edit your video, but it has a premium price. Let me hear on the comment section if you would like to know the free video editing software I use for my videos. I hope you are getting value from this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Click on the like button to help other viewers to see this video. Number five is podcasting. Modern teaching requires the combination of several tools. Podcasting enables teachers to easily deliver relevant audio lessons for students, which they can listen to it at any time and from any location. Teachers can use their mobile apps for recording their podcast. Free software known as Audacity is good for audio editing. You can host your podcast on Google Podcasts or Anchor for free. Number six is Infographics. Images are one of the most effective learning aids that educators of all types can use with their students. Infographics drive the point home and make ideas easier to remember, regardless of the age of the students. Canva and other tools are good for infographics. I shall be discussing how to use Canva for education. Please subscribe to get notified once I drop the video. Number 7 is learning management system. A learning management system, also known as LMS, is a software application used by educational institutions to manage, host, and track learning programs. Comment below if you would like to learn how to create LMS with WordPress. I can also design an effective LMS for your institution. Contact information can be found in the description box. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the list. Please, if you have any question, drop them in the comment section below. I am going to personally attend to them. Also check in the description box for any related video. Until next time, bye for now.